Small children love to explore, and one of the most dangerous areas of the home is any place we store poisons for cleaning or other types of common substances that we might use around the house. So make sure that when children are in the house and able to get to those poisons, we use certain procedures to lock up drawers and cupboards to prevent the child from getting into any poisons. It's best to keep poisons stored up really high or out of the reach of children. There are commercially made locks that will help secure cupboard doors and drawers. You can usually buy those in any kind of baby supply store or a hardware store. But many times, you probably are wishing that someone could show you how to use common household items when you don't have time to go out to a store. Something as simple as a rubber band can help prevent a child from being able to get into a cupboard. This is just one simple way to protect a child from getting into poisonous substances. One complicating factor is that many times chemicals can look like something good to drink. Often they're bright blue or another bright color, and that looks like Kool-Aid. However, children drinking substances is only part of the problem. Dishwasher cleaning products can look like candy that's good to eat. But another point to cover, as we're talking about poisons, is the medicine cabinet. It should be secured just like we do for any other type of cabinet that might have poisons. The problem with medicines is that they sometimes look yummy, like candy, or they're flavored to taste good so that kids will take them. Kids don't know how to tell the difference between a medicine that helps them and too much medicine that can hurt or even kill them. So as we look at medicine cabinets, use the same precautions as we did for chemicals. Secure the cabinet closed so that a child doesn't mistakenly poison himself with an overdose. If you suspect poisoning, be alert for clues such as empty pill bottles or packages, scattered pills and burns around their mouth, stains and odors on the person or nearby. Also, consider the possibility that a person may have applied medicated patches. Signs and symptoms of poisoning may include burns or redness around the mouth and lips, breath that smells like chemicals such as gasoline or paint thinner. They may also be vomiting, having difficulty breathing, drowsiness, confusion, or other altered mental status. Now, treatments have changed a lot over the years in the area of first aid for poisonings. If you find a child that you suspect has consumed a poison, call Poison Control. The national number is 800-222-1222. They can help you identify the poison and guide you in treating the child. Having the Poison Control Center phone number in a prominent location in your home near the phone is never a bad idea. You want to be able to access it right away if needed. Call 911 and begin CPR immediately if the person shows no signs of life, such as not moving or breathing normally. Take note that it may not be the best thing to make the child vomit immediately. Poison Control will guide you in the best care depending on the poison that was ingested. One thing that I like to have around is something that you can pretty much get online or maybe even at the local drugstore. It's called activated charcoal. It's always a good idea to have it on hand because it works great to help neutralize certain poisons. It doesn't mean you'll have to use it every time, but having it in your medicine cabinet and available in case of Poison Control asking for it is never a bad idea.